are people who only strive if there's a punishment and there is a penalty. Otherwise not. That is so unfortunate. And Allah tells us, and Allah makes certain things compulsory in the Quran so we could obey that for our own benefit. And then He tells us about many other things that are so much more better for us. Fadail, virtues, that will make us a better people. So these things that Allah tells us, salah, zakat, charity, fasting, hajj, that's only to save us from hell. Remember that. These things that Allah tells us for us, that's only that we do it to save ourselves from hell. But what about what Allah tells us otherwise in the Quran to get us into a better status in Jannah? Everybody come to America here. Do you all want to live down in the lowest level? You want to be that category that always lives on handouts? You want to be on that category that is in some part of America, which I don't want to call names because the city mayors will get offended, where things are all bad and no law and no regulation and it's murder, bow, you're hearing gunfire all over the time. That's the area you really want to live when you come to America? No. Is that the area you want to live? You don't want that. Everybody chooses to live in the highest area, the best area, the most expensive area, or at least if the area that you can afford best. The area that we can afford best, you want to live there. Why? You want a better status in the land that we live. So similarly, can't we strive for higher status in Jannah? Praying the salah, the zakat, everything, it saves us from hell. Remember this. But getting into higher status in Jannah goes with the fadail and the virtues in the Quran. The extra ibadah, the extra Quran that we read, the extra laws that we act on. Oh yeah. I always have this discussion with people. I say, brother, I didn't see you in Vikir, man. I didn't see you in the Quran halqa. Well, it's not far as Sheikh. I'm like, oh, truly?